So we got 2021 C300. We did a full catback on this thing. It's that Armytrix full catback. A little expensive, but if it's, you know, in your budget, then definitely do it. Sounds pretty sweet. He still has to go get the valve wired. It's a little tedious, so you have to splice into a couple cables inside the engine. We don't really do that stuff, but we can. The customer is just going to go take it to a buddy of his and have it done. But ideally, if you want a system like this, you can definitely order it through us, and looks pretty sweet. Definitely not as loud as I would want it. You slap a downpipe on there and an air intake, then it really wakes up. So Armytrix system, catback, full stainless steel. It comes with valve controlled mufflers and the remote control, which is pretty sweet. Again, a little expensive, but again, if it's in your budget, definitely recommended. So it's a pretty sweet Christmas gift for anybody with a C300. Armytrix exhaust, definitely where it's at. So if you're looking for something comparable to this Armytrix exhaust, we do a custom catback for this car. It's a full 3-inch exhaust, comes with a high flow Y pipe and a G-pack muffler in the middle. You don't need rear mufflers on this car. It's a 4-cylinder turbo. There's not enough flow coming out of this engine to spend $3,500 on an exhaust like that. So my recommendations, go with the custom catback. You get a little bit more aggressive sound than this. And then later on in the future, if you plan on upgrading it, downpipe, tune, air intake, stuff like that, the car is turbo, so it will make some solid power. But if you guys are interested in stuff like that, Gexhaust.com, Gexhaust Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park. Follow us on Instagram, like, comment, subscribe. We out.